my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. You know what makes Thanksgiving and holiday meals so deliciously exciting is because there are a lot of side dishes served with the proteins. I think of a nice gravy, vegetable casseroles like tian or ratatouille, stuffing, salads, different sauces, and so on, including this recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my roasted garlic mashed potatoes. This side is so awesome. What I like about this recipe is it goes with pretty much any protein. Plus, it's a great way to elevate your spuds, especially if you like garlic. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large pot, we'll add some coarse sea salt, then our potatoes that we washed and scrubbed. My potatoes are small, so I didn't bother to cut them in half. Next, we'll add cold water, enough so they're covered a couple inches above. We'll bring it to a boil by covering it so it gets faster, and when it gets there, we'll remove the lid and continue cooking until the potatoes are tender, about 17 to 20 minutes. Now, here's my roasted garlic that I put in the oven for 1 hour. When you click on the top right corner of your screen, there are other ways to roast them. I'm not kidding, so check it out. If you decide to go with the oven method, we'll squeeze the cloves out after they cool off a little bit so we don't burn ourselves. Then we'll mash them with a fork. Oh, I love the smell of roasted garlic. Alright, back to the potatoes. When they're done, we'll remove from the heat, drain them well, and mash them as well. By the way, did you know that the red potato skin has fiber, iron, potassium, and also vitamin B? That's why I leave the skin on, plus it's so thin we can barely notice it. So when the spuds are nicely mashed, we'll add regular salted butter and also some chive butter, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Of course, we'll mash again. It's always a good idea to take the butter out of the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to make it easy to mash with the potatoes. Next, our roasted garlic goes in, followed by freshly ground black pepper. When you look at the ingredient amounts on the website, it says mixed peppercorns because I prefer using them instead of just black pepper. So, it's your call. We'll mash them once again before adding sour cream and milk. I normally use 1%, but feel free to use skim, 2%, or all. And yes, let's mash again. Now, like I always say, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. It might need more ground pepper. I also like to add some garlic salt just to intensify the taste, but it's optional. And my friends, these are our roasted garlic mashed potatoes. Packed with flavor, they are the perfect side for many proteins, including steaks, grilled pork chops, chicken, etc. They're easy to make and a delicious change from regular mashed. Certainly a must-try. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!